Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can upload your C# project to the GitHub repository. So here first of all you need to log into your GitHub account. Then here you will see these top repositories, then this new option, just click here and then you need to give your repository a name. Let's say the name will be my C#. Let's say this. So here you can see the name is available. After that, make it public and also add a readme file. Then go down and click on create repository. So this will create a repository. Here you can see my C#. So we want to upload a C# project to the GitHub. So for it, first of all, you need to have Git install on your system. So here, in order to install Git, just go to any browser, then search for Git, and here you can see gitscm.com. So you need to download and install Git in your system. So installation is really simple. You just need to download it and then click on next and install. So I'll assume that you have Git install on your system. So after installing Git, you need to go to your project. So here, this is my C# project. So in the project directory, we need to right click here, then click on show more option, and here you can see open with Git bash here. So you need to click on it and it will open the Git bash like this. So let me just zoom in, and here we need to write some commands. So the first command will be git init, then press enter, and there you can see initializing empty Git repository. So after that we need to say over here git add space dot, then press enter. So it will check the files. After that we need to add a message before we upload our project to the GitHub. So for it we need to write over here git commit -m means message. Then you need to write a message. Let's say the message will be my C# upload, and indeed with a double quotation like this. Then you need to press enter. After that, you need to mention which repository you want to upload this project. So we want to upload our project to this repository, my C#. So for it, we need to write over here git remote add origin. After that, give a space, then go to your repository. Then after going to the repository, click on code, and here you can see HTTPS. So you need to copy this. Then go back to your command prompt. Then you need to paste over here like this. Then you need to press enter. So right now, our command prompt will understand that we need to upload this project to this repository. So all is left is to push the code to the repository. So for it, we need to say over here git push -u origin, and here you can see by default it choose the master branch. Here you can see. So we are going to say over here master. Then press enter, and our project will start uploading to the GitHub, and it is done. So if we now just go to our GitHub repository, then refresh here. Then here you can see we have main branch, and if we now click on it, here you can see we have one more branch called master. Let's just click on it, and here you can see this is our C# project that we just uploaded from here. So this is how you can upload your C# or .NET project to the GitHub. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section.